All right, everybody, we're on firmware 137. First try. We are charging. Got the whole setup here, collecting the data, but so far it's looking decent. Let's see what the charger says. 398 volts, 32 kilowatts. It is like minus 15 out here, Celsius, pretty cold. That's pretty decent, and I got a high state of charge, so this is looking good. Let's take a look in here. So it says 23 kilowatts in here. Hey, this is looking good. This is a BC Hydro charger made by Add Energy, which is, I think, the out of Quebec. So a lot of the Quebec chargers would be the same style as BC Hydro. But check it out. We got 86% state of charge, so it's going to be slower. It is minus 12 according to this. Said minus 15 earlier when I was driving, and we're getting 22 kilowatts, so that is pretty cool stuff. I'm going to try a couple more times, see if it's consistent, but it's looking good. One more check at the charger here. And that's right, CCS. Gotta love it.